chords are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart, and truth be told, I never was yours. The fear of falling apart. Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play This Is Gospel by Panic at the Disco on ukulele. I'm gonna teach you the easy version of how to play this song, so there's only 5 chords and none of them are bar chords. If you want to play with the original track, you're gonna need to put a capo on the 2nd fret of your ukulele. However, I'm not gonna use a capo, but still use the same chords as if you had the capo on. I'm just gonna have to sing it in a little bit lower of a key. Let's go ahead and get right into the chords that we need. The first chord is a C, so you're just going to put one finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. Then we have a D minor chord, so you're going to put your ring and your middle finger in the 2nd fret on the 3rd and 4th strings, and then you're going to put your index finger down on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Next we have an A minor chord. You're going to pull off all your fingers except for your middle finger. You're going to have that top string covered on the 2nd fret. For the F chord, you're just going to put your index finger back down on that 2nd string 1st fret. And last we have a G chord. You're going to put your ring finger in the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, your middle finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, and then your index finger right there on the 3rd string 2nd fret. And those are the only chords that you need, so now we can move into progressions and strumming patterns. The progression for the verses is C, D minor, A minor. You're gonna be on the C and D minor for 2 beats each, then for the A minor, you're gonna be on it for 4 beats. How I play through verse 1 is I actually do plucking instead of strumming. For the first part, I'm just gonna pluck all of the strings at once. So starting on the C chord, I assign each of my fingers to a string, starting with my thumb on the top, then my index, middle, and ring finger to cover all 4 of the strings. And to pluck them all at once, I just kind of pull in and then pull out. So they all are plucked at the same time. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and count that out with the beats so you can see how long you stay on each chord. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you would just repeat it over and over for the verse. Now with the lyrics. This is gospel for the fallen ones, locked away in permanent slumber, assembling their philosophies from pieces of broken memories. You can definitely continue to do that for the rest of the verse. However, I have a little bit different of a plucking pattern that I'm gonna do for the next part. Of course, we're still using the same progression of C, D minor, A minor, same beat count and everything. However, I'm gonna pluck the 3rd string, and then right after that, I'm gonna pluck the 1st and 2nd string at the same time with my index and middle finger. And go out like that. So it's gonna be 3 up, switch to your D minor, 3 up, and then your A minor, you're gonna do it 4 times. 3 up, 3 up, 3 up, 3 up. You're gonna sing it with the O part, so here's how it would sound. Oh, 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 this is the beat of my heart, this is the beat of my. Oh, 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 oh. That covers verse 1, so now we can move into the pre-chorus. The progression is going to be a little bit different, however the strumming pattern is really easy. So what I'm going to use is down, 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 up. So that's 4 down strums with an up on the end. Here's the progression that we're going to run through with that strumming pattern for the pre-chorus. On the last F chord, you're going to run through the strumming pattern 2 times, and then on the G chord, the very last one, you're just going to do 1 single down strum and let it ring before you go into the chorus. So let's go through that. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up again. Down. The gnashing teeth and criminal tongues conspire against the odds, but they haven't seen the best of us yet. Then we go into the chorus, which is a super exciting part. The chorus does have a couple different progressions in it, but I promise it's not that confusing once you get going into it. The first progression is going to be the same that you did for verse 1, so C, D minor, A minor. It's also the same beat count. The strumming pattern that I'm going to use is down, down, up, down, up. You're going to do that one time on the C, one time on the D minor, and then twice on the A minor. So it would sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The next part of the chorus is going to be F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G. You're still going to use the strumming pattern of down, down, up, and you're going to do it one time on each chord except for that last G in the progression. You're going to do it twice. Going through that, down, down, up, down, up, 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 F, C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then the last part of the chorus, you go back into the progression of C, D minor, A minor. You could continue to use the same strumming pattern, but what I like to do is add an extra up strum in there. So I'm gonna do down, down, up, down, up. So going through that, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then you'll run through that progression again. You always go through the C, D minor, A minor 2 times. I will go ahead and sing the whole chorus now, taking it from the very end of the pre-chorus. So, haven't seen the best of us yet. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. 'Cause these words are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart. In truth be told, I never was yours. The fear of falling apart. Oh, 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 oh. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we go into the second verse, which is the same progression as verse 1. Instead of doing the plucking for verse 2, I'm actually gonna do the strumming pattern that I did for the chorus. So down, down, up, down, up. This is gospel for the vagabonds, ne'er-do-wells and insufferable bastards, confessing their apostasies, led away by imperfect imposters. Oh, 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 this is the beat of my heart, this is the beat of mine. Oh, 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 oh. Down, down, up, down, up. Then the pre-chorus would be the same thing that you did before. The second chorus that you do is almost the same thing as the first chorus. However, you're gonna add an extra line in there of the F, C, G, A minor right before the last C, D minor, A minor. You're gonna do that progression a total of 2 times. So I'm gonna run through this last chorus with all of the parts. Again, I'm using the same strumming patterns that I used for the previous chorus. Just pay attention to where that extra progression is thrown in there. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. 'Cause these words are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart. In truth be told, I never was yours. The fear of falling apart. Oh, 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 oh. The fear of falling apart. Oh, 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 oh. The fear of falling apart. Oh, 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 oh. The fear of falling apart. Oh, 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 oh. This is the beat of my heart. This is the beat of my. Oh, 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 oh. The fear of falling apart. To end the song, you can do one single down strum on that C chord and just let it ring. I think that I might have actually went through that last progression in extra time, but that's okay. You can repeat it as many times as you want, as long as you want to sing those O's. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!